Good afternoon, friends. It's time for our afternoon math lesson. Today we're going to be talking about some coins. So let's look at our coins. The first coin we have is a dollar. This is a Sacagawea dollar. Next we have a quarter. Now the quarter has some dull ridges around the edges. This is a New York quarter. Next we have a dime. Now the dime has 110 ridges around the edge. Dime. Next we have a nickel. A nickel, this is a newer nickel. And we have a penny. Penny, penny, easily spent, copper brown and worth 1 cent. Now the penny does not have any ridges. What about the nickel? The nickel is smooth with no ridges. The dime we said has 110. I don't know how many a quarter has. And the dollar, oh look at that, I never knew that. What does that say? Come on, focus, focus. I don't know what that says. I think it's just some marks, some letters and marks. I will investigate that, friends. All right, so why is my phone not focusing? All right, there we go. So we have our 5 coins here. Now, I'm going to move them up a little bit because we're going to use our paper for other purposes. I don't know where my pencil went. It's all right. I'm sharing supplies with my 2 children for their schoolwork. So, a dollar is worth $1. A quarter is worth 25 cents. Or you could also write it this way. There are 2 different ways to write it. Both are correct. We have our dime, which is worth 10 cents. That decimal tells me that this is the cents. Or you could write it like this. And then we have a nickel. A nickel is worth 5 cents. Now watch how I write it at the bottom. Put our decimal. It's not 10, it's 5. So that mystery 0 is going to go there to give us some space. Or you could always write it like this. And lastly, we have our penny penny. So just like the nickel, we put in that 10th place. Go, or you could write it like that. So those are our coins and their values. Now, a fun thing to do to kind of explore the coins before we get into too much craziness is something called a rubbing. And what you'll need is some crayons and a piece of paper, which we have, and coins. So we're going to move these to the side. And we're going to put this one under the paper. Then, what color do I want to use? I'll use yellow just because it's a gold coin. Now, I don't know how this is going to work. Let's do it on the front. Holding the phone, but I'm going to try my best. And you just move the crayon. Hang on, let me see if I can get it to work. This is very awkward when you're trying to hold a phone. I think I need a darker color for you guys to see anyway. Rub the crayon all along. And then look what happens. You have a rubbing of the Sacagawea coin. So let's move on to our quarter. Again, I apologize. This is very awkward. So you put the coin under and then you color on top of it. And look, there's our quarter. So the quarter goes under the paper, you hold it still, and then with your crayon, you just go back and forth. All right, next up, we have the dime. Monsieur Dime, are you going to be cooperative today? You can do this on the front and the backs of the coins to get some really neat pictures of them. Then we have our nickel. We put it underneath the paper. Oh, look at that. It's going to work for me. Kinda. All right, there's your nickel. And last but not least, penny. So where are you? There you are. All right. So you just rub back and forth. You can do this with anything that can fit under a paper. And there's our rubbings. You can do it with coins. You can do it with paper clips. As long as it's not too bulky or round, you can slip it under the paper, hold it down, and then color on top of it to get a cool rubbing. All right. So our coins. We need to figure out how many of each coin makes $1. So, how many dollars would make $1? That's right, so $1, I'm just gonna draw it this time, equals $1. So I'm gonna label this so I know what I'm doing. How many in $1? So, a quarter. How many quarters are in $1? Well, let's count by 25. So 25, 50, 75, 100, or $1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 quarters equal $1. So let's draw some quarters here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 quarters in $1. Let's look at our dimes. So how I'm getting this is our dollar is worth 100 cents. So I'm just counting and skip counting by the numbers that each coin is worth in order to get to 100 cents. I guess I could write that above here too because it's still accurate. 100 cents. That makes a lot more, that's a lot more organized. All right. So now our dime. What do you think we're going to count by to get to 100 cents? Good. We're going to count by tens. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Oh, wait, what? Oh, we got there? So let's see how many dimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 dimes equals $1. Okay, now, moving on to our nickels. How many nickels are in $1? Now, I'm just going to draw some dots here and count by. What are we going to count by? What do you think? Yeah, let's count by 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Okay, we got to 100 cents or $1. So let's see. We know that when we're doing our math, 5 dots are in a row. So 5, 10, 15, 20. So we have 20 nickels here. So 20 nickels. Oops, I forgot to write it over here. then 4 quarters, and $1 equals $1. All right. Now our pennies. If each penny equals 1 cent, what could you assume is the amount needed to make 100 cents? Right, 100 pennies. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 2, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 48. Anyway, I don't have the time. I don't have enough paper, so we would count out 100 pennies. So 100 pennies equals $1. Look at how skip counting can help you count money. I would love to see any rubbings you did of coins you have laying around the house, or if you have coins from another country. That would be pretty interesting to see, I think. All right, so, oh, I wish I knew how to turn this around so I don't look weird. My poor dog. She wants to get out. All right, so we are going to sing a little song to help us remember the names of the coins. All right, here we go. I'm going to try and set you up like I usually do. Okay, please don't fall over. Okay, good. I think it's going to work with me. Okay. I learned this song at the YMCA camp that I went to with my daughter last year, and I really, really like it. I think it's a great way to remember the names of coins. Okay. My mom gave me a penny. She said, go buy a henny. But I don't want to buy a henny. I want some bubblegum. Bazooka, zooka, bubblegum. Bazooka, zooka, bubblegum. Bazooka, zooka, bubblegum. My mom gave me a nickel. She said, go buy a pickle. But I don't want a pickle. I want some bubblegum. Bazooka, zooka, bubblegum. Bazooka, zooka, bubblegum. Bazooka, zooka, bubblegum. My mom gave me a dime. She said, go buy a lime. But I don't want a lime. I want some bubblegum. Bazooka, zooka, bubblegum. Bazooka, zooka, bubblegum. Bazooka, zooka, bubblegum. My mom gave me a quarter. She said, go buy some water. But I don't want water. I want some bubblegum. Bazooka, zooka, bubblegum. Bazooka, zooka, bubblegum. Bazooka, zooka, bubblegum. My mom gave me $1. She said, go pop your collar. But I don't want to pop my collar. I want some bubblegum. Bazooka, zooka, bubblegum. Bazooka, zooka, bubblegum. Bazooka, zooka, bubblegum. My mom gave me her Visa. She said, go buy a pizza. You know what? I kind of like pizza. So I think I'm going to go buy pizza. I don't want bubblegum anymore. Bye, guys. I'll see you in the morning.